Good day, class. Welcome to our discussion sa ating Module 1. Your subject is Understanding the Self, GE1. This is pursuant doon sa memo ng ating Vice President that we will be conducting classes asynchronously. So, welcome kayong lahat. So, class, ang course natin, Understanding the Self, it includes 3 parts. Number 1 is the self from various perspectives. Number 2, unpacking the self. And lastly, managing and caring for the self. So una, the self from various perspectives. It includes yung philosophical perspective of the self, yung sociological, anthropological, and psychological. Then, Eastern and Western perspective. Next is unpacking the self. So we have physical self, we have sexual self, material or economic self, spiritual self, political self, and digital self. So this is under midterm period naman. So yung una ay sa prelim period. Then class, for final period, we have managing and caring for the self. It includes learning to be a better student, taking charge of one's health, and lastly, how to plan your finances. So to begin with, sabi dito, the self is your main companion in living this world. So, ang inyong sarili, ang inyong kasakasama habang buhay sa mundong ito, di ba? Who you are, who you want to be, who society wants you to be, and who you can be. Right? Then the self is freaking complex. Ibig sabihin, ang self is napakaraming dimension yan. So, yun naman yung goal ng subject na ito yung course na ito makilala nyo, maunawaan nyo yung self ninyo. Ayan. So, the self from various perspective. Of course, ang ating module 1, philosophical perspective on the self. So after ng discussion ng module na ito, ang ating objectives or ang ating goal sa module na ito, compare how the self has been represented across different discipline and perspectives. Examine yourself against the different philosophical views of the self. Then distinguish how the philosophical perspectives on the self are applied. Then create your own theory of the self. So, define natin, what does it mean by philosophical self? Class, ang philosophical self, it refers to the exploration of one's identity, consciousness, and existence through a philosophical lens. Okay? So, from yung word na exploration of one's identity, ini-explore mo kung sino ka. No? You are conscious. Okay? And existence through a philosophical lens. Pamamagitan ng mga philosophical perspective ay may explore mo kung ano nga ba talaga ang iyong identity. Okay? Sa pamamagitan ng mga various perspective, mga philosophers. Then, this module typically examines fundamental questions. Kung sino ka nga ba talaga. No? What it means to be a self. And how we relate to the world around us. Then, ang goal ng module na ito is not only to understand these complex ideas. Marami tayong ideas from this module about the self, but also to apply them to one's own life. Okay? So, encouraging deep reflection on the nature of the self and the broader human experience. So, yan ang philosophical self. So, una, gaya ng nabanggit ko kanina, the self according to ancient philosophers. So, ang sabi diyan, an important aspect of understanding the self is self-awareness. Which is true, di ba? We need to be aware of our self. So, our first ancient philosopher, we have Socrates. And then, he is famous for his philosophy, know thyself. Okay? Kailangan mong kilalanin yung sarili mo. So, he is famous for emphasizing self-knowledge. Okay? Bilang foundation. As the foundation of wisdom and virtuous life. Pag sinabing virtuous life, yung from the word virtuous, kabutihan. Okay? So, know thyself. Next for him, understanding one's nature and motives was crucial to living a good life. Okay? So, kailangan naiintindihan mo daw ang ikaw, yung bilang isang tao, yung nature mo, and yung motibo mo. It is crucial, napakahalaga in living a good life. Okay? Next, the unexamined life. Sabi niya, the unexamined life, Socrates believed that an unexamined life is not worth living. No? Suggesting that self-reflection and philosophical inquiry are essential to understanding the self and achieving moral integrity. So, gaya nga ng kanyang philosophy, know thyself. Napakahalaga niyan for Socrates. To examine your life. Kilalanin ang iyong sarili. Okay? Next philosopher, we have Plato, the ideal self, the perfect self, according to him. So, sabi niya, man was omniscient or all-knowing. In other words, knowledgeable bago pa lang ipanganak. Ayun yung sabi niya. So, sa kanyang philosophy, sa self, in Plato's work, doon sa The Republic, particularly, he conceptualized, okay, the soul as having three parts. Mayroon daw tatlong part ang soul. Una is the rational, pangalawa, the spirited, and the appetitive. So, the rational, ibig sabihin, rational, sinisik nito yung katotohanan and yung wisdom. Then, pangalawang part, the spirited, it drives actions and emotions. Okay? So, the appetitive naman, yung desires, physical pleasure. So, that is the philosophical perspective of Plato patungkol sa self. The ideal self, your perfect self. Who do you want to be someday, 5 years from now? Ano bang ideal self mo? Ano bang gusto mong maging? So, according to him, that would be your perfect self. Pag na-achieve mo na yung ambition mo or goal mo sa buhay. Next philosopher or ancient philosopher, we have Aristotle. So, his philosophical view, sabi niya, the self as a composite. Kasi nga, ang self daw ay binubuo ng body and soul. Next, philosophy ni Aristotle, itong tinatawag nating eudaimonia and the self. Ang eudaimonia, in other words, ito ay flourishing or happiness. Okay? sabi niya, yung kanyang concept of the self is closely tied to his idea of eudaimonia. So he argued that the self achieves fulfillment through the practice of virtue or kabutihan sa Tagalog, no? And the realization of its potential. We all have potential, no? Especially through rational activity. We are all rational being, sabi nga niya. Man is born by nature a political animal, sabi ni Aristotle. Dahil nga we have the capacity or capability to think, to reason out, no, to speak. Kaya tayo tinawag niya na the rational being. So we do have those rational activity like thinking before making a decision, diba? That is a rational activity, for example. Next, we now proceed to modern and contemporary philosophers. Okay? So, una is Saint Augustine. So, ang kanyang philosophy on the self is the inner self, sabi niya. He emphasized the inner introspective self which is capable of knowing God. Which is true, ano? We all know God, diba? Through self-reflection, according to him. So, sa kanyang, in his work, Confessions, no, he explored his own journey to self-awareness. Gaya nga ng nabanggit ko kanina, the most important thing in understanding the self is self-awareness. And conversion, illustrating how the self is deeply connected to God. Are we connected to God? Yes. Diba? So, ang kanyang view, the soul and God, sabi niya. Lahat naman tayo may soul, di ba? So, he believed that the self is fundamentally the soul, which is immortal and created by God. So, we are all created by God. So, the self finds its true identity and purpose in relation to God. Okay? So, he saw the soul as restless until it rests in God. Totoo nga naman, no? Dito, talagang hindi tayo masyadong makapagpahinga, no? Iba yung pahinga na talagang eternal na pahinga. It is in the hands of God. Di ba? Reflecting the idea that the two self-knowledge and fulfillment are found in the divine. So sabi niya, yung kanyang idea, no? Reflecting the idea, sabi niya, that the true self-knowledge and fulfillment ay ma-achieve lang natin kay God. No? Mahanap lang natin kay God. That is according to Saint Augustine. Next philosopher, we have Saint Thomas Aquinas. His philosophical view is the composite self and self-perfection and God. So, the composite self, sabi niya, he viewed the self as a composite of body and soul. Okay? He also believed that the soul is the form of the body, giving it life and identity. So, ang ating soul, we have the form, no? Is the form of the body. May buhay and may identity. So, the soul, sabi niya, ay rational and immortal. Okay? And it is through the soul that humans can know and love God. So, self-perfection in God. Sabi niya, Aquinas, or he emphasized that the self's ultimate purpose is to know and love God. That's for Saint Thomas, ano? Yung ultimate purpose daw natin is to know and love God, which leads to what? Eternal happiness. Okay? So the self achieves perfection through the exercise of the reason and the practice of virtue, guided by divine law and grace. Divine law is, in other words, the law of God. Next philosopher is Rene Descartes. So, ang kanyang philosophical view about the self is cogito ergo sum, or in English translation, I think, therefore I am. Okay? So, Descartes is the father of modern philosophy. Okay? Sabi niya, the self is fundamentally a thinking entity. Okay? We have the capacity to think. Ika nga. So, the self is a mind or irrational consciousness that exists independently of the body. Nag-exist daw yung ating self independently sa ating katawan. That is for Descartes. Ano? Mayroon siyang tinawag na dualism. Ang dualism posits that the self consists of two distinct substances. Kaya from the word dual, di ba? It means two. Ang dalawang substance na ito ay yung isip or the mind and the body. Okay? Res cogitans and res extensa. Okay? So the mind is internal, the body is external. The mind is the true essence of the self, sabi niya. While the body is a separate material entity. So yung isip daw natin is the true essence of the self, according to Rene Descartes. So our last philosopher, we have John Locke. His view on the self is the self as consciousness. So he argued, that personal identity is based on the continuity of memory. Okay, yung ating kaisipan or isip and consciousness over time. So sabi niya, the self is not defined by the substance of the soul or body. So iba din yung kanyang pananaw, but by the ability to remember past experiences. So that is according to John Locke. So may mga instances sa atin that may mga past tayo na until now dala-dala natin. We do not forget those past experiences. Okay? So yun yung for John Locke, So class, that ends our discussion, So yung ating activity I will send it later sa Orange app. So thank you so much and God bless.